Good morning, dear students. So today we are going to see few numerical problems of chapter 10 subtopic reflection. It is the first question of in-text questions, page number 171. The question says, find the focal length of a convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 32 centimeter. So here I have drawn a rough diagram of the convex mirror. This is our convex mirror, and we know that its curvature and focus all lies to its right side. Okay, so this is the radius of curvature, which is 32 centimeters. And in my previous video related to the sign convention, I have told you the distances from the mirror to its right sides are always in positive. That's why I have written it r equals to 32, that is plus 32. So what we are given in the question is the radius of curvature, which is r, equals to 32 centimeter, and we have to find out the focal length of this convex mirror. The formula of focus length is equal to the radius of curvature by 2, or we can say half of the radius of curvature. So I have put the values here. This is 32 by 2, that is equals to 16 centimeter. So we can say by this that the value is in positive terms. This is plus 16 centimeter. It means the radius, the focal length also lies to the right side of the mirror, or we can say behind the mirror. So the next question, a concave mirror, it produces 3 times magnified real image of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Where is the image located? Now, every time just go through the question twice to understand it in a better way. So, I am reading it once more. So, we are having a mirror which is of concave type. Okay, it is producing a real image and its magnification is 3 times. And the object is placed at 10 centimeter in front of the mirror. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the distance of the image. So here also I have drawn a rough diagram to show the things. This is the concave mirror, and in front of the concave mirror the object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter, and according to sign convention the distances at the left side of the mirror are always considered to be in negative values. So I have written it u equals to minus 10 centimeter. So let us see what the values are given in the question. The first thing is given is distance of the object, that is u, equals to minus 10 centimeter. And the next thing from the question we get is the magnification, m equals to minus 3. Why I have put minus here? Because the image is real, and real images, for real images magnification is always in negative. This also I have explained in the topic sign convention and magnification. Distance of image we have to calculate, so we have to find the value of small v. The formula of magnification for the mirror is equals to minus v upon u. We have to find out the value of v. So what we have done, we have to cross multiply these values. So we get minus v equals to m into u. Okay. Now what we have done, we have shift this minus sign to here, or we can say that we have multiply with minus at the both sides. So it becomes v equals to minus mu. Now we have put the values v equals to minus bracket minus 3 into bracket minus 10. All these values are given in the question, and when we solve it we get minus 30 centimeter. It means that the object is the image will formed in the front of the mirror at 30 centimeters. Now from exercise, this is question number 7. We wish to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. What should be the range of distance of the object from the mirror? What is the nature of the image? Is the image smaller or larger than the object? Draw a ray diagram to show the image formation in this case. So, what things we get from the question? Let us see this thing. For concave mirror, we have to find out when the erect image is formed. We know that for concave mirror, erect image is only formed when object is placed between focus and the pole. Between the focus point and the pole, if the object is kept, then only we get an erect or virtual image from the concave mirror. So we know that the focal length is 15 centimeter. So the object has to be placed in front of the mirror at a distance less than 15 centimeter. Means before the focal length we have to keep the object so that we can get its erect and virtual image. So here I have shown it with the diagram. This is the ray diagram. Let us see this thing. This is our concave mirror and this is its focal point, which is at 15 centimeters, and we have kept the object between focus and pole. When we put the object between F and P, then only, see the ray diagram, I have explained it to you in the previous topics, and the rays, the reflected rays are diverging or they are spreading away. When they are imagined to grow back at this point, they are intersecting each other, and in this way a virtual image is formed. So from the ray diagram it shows that the image is virtual because in reality the reflected rays are spread away, and virtually we are just imagining that if we grow these reflected ray back, they merge at one point. At that point the image will be formed. So the image is virtual and it is erect and it is larger than the object. If you compare the size of the object with the size of the image, we can easily see that the image size is much larger than the object. So the next question from exercise is question number 12. It says that an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image. So what we get from the question, let us see it from the diagram. This is the convex mirror, okay, and the object is placed at 10 centimeter, and we know that the distance at the left side from the mirror are mentioned in negative. So here the distance of the object, that is u, is equals to minus 10. And what else is given in the question is the focal length, which is 15 centimeter. And we know that the focal length of the convex mirror lies to the right side. And if it is at right side, then the value will be in positive terms. So the focal length of the convex mirror is plus 15 centimeter. So these things are given in the question. The focal length is 15 centimeter and the distance of the object is minus 10 centimeter. What we have to find? We have to find the distance of the image. At what distance the image is going to be formed. So the mirror formula is 1 upon F equals to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. We have to find out the value of small v, that is the distance of the image. So what we have to do? We have to shift this plus u, 1 upon u to the other side of the equals. And when we do this, the sign changes. So what we get? 1 upon V equals to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. Now we will put the values from the question. 1 upon V equals to 1 upon 15 because the focal length of the convex mirror is plus 15 minus 1 upon U, and the value of U is minus 10. The distance of the object is minus 10. Okay, so when we solve it, what we will get? 1 upon V equals to 1 upon 15 minus into minus plus 1 upon 10. Now the next thing, we will solve this thing. 1 upon V equals to, the LCM is 30. When we solve it, what do we get? 5 by 30 equals to 1 upon 6. Means 1 upon V equals to 1 upon 6. So V equals to 6 centimeters. See, the value is in positive terms. So we can say that the image is 6 centimeter behind the mirror and it is virtual and erect. because convex mirror only form virtual images. This is question number 14 from exercise. An object 5 centimeter length is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Find the position of image, its nature and size. So what is given in the question? Let us see it with the diagram. So we are given a convex mirror. This is the convex mirror and the height of the object is 5 centimeters. So here is the object which is 5 centimeter long, and where the object is placed, it is placed in front of the mirror at 20 centimeter. So the distance of the object is 20 centimeter and it is as it is kept at the left side, so the value is in minus. Now what else is given? That the radius of curvature, that is 30 centimeter is given. We know that the center of curvature of the convex mirror lies to its right side. So this is the radius of curvature, and we know that the focal length of the mirror is equals to half of the curvature or the radius of curvature. So the focus is the focal length is half of the 30 centimeter, that is 15 centimeter. So let us see what is given in the question. Radius of curvature is given 30 centimeter. It is positive value because it lies to the right side. The focal length equals to radius by 2, that is 15 centimeter. The distance of the object is in front of the mirror, that is minus 20 centimeter, and height of the object is 5 centimeter. What we have to find is the value of the distance of the image, that is small v, and height of the image. So first of all we will calculate the distance of the image. Again the mirror formula is 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. We will shift the values because we have to find out the value of 1 upon v. So what it will be? 1 upon v equals to 1 upon f, and when we will shift this thing on the other side of the equals to, it turns to minus. So it becomes 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. In the next step I have put the values here. 1 upon 15 because the value of focal length is 15 centimeter, minus, this is the minus sign, and 1 upon u is minus 20 centimeters. So I have put the value of u here. Then we will solve it. 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20, and when we solve it we get 1 upon v equals to 7 by 60, or v equals to 60 upon 7, and the value is 8.6 centimeters. So we can say that the image is formed behind the mirror at 8.6 centimeters. So at this side the image will be formed. Now we have to find out the size of the image. So image, first thing we get that image is virtual and erect, because we know from the convex mirror always the image formed is virtual and erect. And here is the magnification formula, that is h dash upon h equals to minus v upon u. From this formula we can get the value of h dash, which is the height of the image. H is the height of the object which is given in the question, that is plus 5, equals to, minus is from the formula. The value of v we have just calculated, it is 8.6, and u, the distance of the object, is minus 20 centimeter. So we have strike minus to minus, and when we will solve it we will get h dash equals to 2.15 centimeter. It means the height of the image is 2.15 centimeter. It is much smaller than the object, because the height of the object was 5 centimeter while the image is formed just of 2.15 centimeter. 6 centimeters. So we can say that the image is formed behind the mirror at 8.6 centimeters. So at this side the image will be formed. Now we have to find out the size of the image. So image, first thing we get that image is virtual and erect, because we know from the convex mirror always the image formed is virtual and erect. And here is the magnification formula, that is h dash upon h equals to minus v upon u. From this formula we can get the value of h dash, which is the height of the image. h is the height of the object which is given in the question, that is plus 5 equals to, minus is from the formula. The value of v we have just calculated, it is 8.6, and u, the distance of the object, is minus 20 centimeter. So we have strike minus to minus, and when we will solve it, we will get h dash equals to 2.15 centimeter. It means the height of the image is 2.15 centimeter. It is much smaller than the object, because the height of the object was 5 centimeter, while the image is formed just of 2.15 centimeter. Now, this is question number 15. An object of size 7 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. This time we have got a concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and nature of the image. So in this case also we have to find out where the image is going to be formed. So again I have made a rough diagram here. This is a concave mirror this time, and its radius of curvature, the distance of the object is given in the question, that is minus 27 centimeter, because it is at left side, so we have to put the minus sign here. And the focal length of the concave mirror is also lies to its left side only, so I have put it here. The focal length is minus 18 centimeter, and double of it is curvature, so I have put that value also. What is given in the question is the distance of the object minus 20 centimeter, the focal length of the concave mirror, that is minus 18 centimeter. Here the height of the object is 7 centimeter. Two values we have to calculate, distance of the image and height of the image. Again we have to put the mirror formula only, that is 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Again we have to find out the value of distance of the image, so we have to shift the values and we will get 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. I have put the values here, 1 upon minus 18, because the focal length is minus 18 here, minus 1 upon minus 27, because this is the distance of the object. When we solve it, what we will get? 1 upon v equals to 1 upon minus 18, and minus into minus plus. So 1 upon v equals to 1 upon minus 18 plus 1 upon 27. The LCM is 54, and when you will solve it, you will get 1 upon v equals to minus 1 upon 54, or we can say v equals to minus 54. This shows that the image is formed in front of the mirror at 54 centimeters. This minus sign shows that the image is formed at the left side of the mirror. Now we have to find out the height of the image. So again the formula is going to be the same, h dash upon h equals to minus v upon u. Here h dash is the height of the image, upon h is the height of the object, which is of 7 centimeter, equals to minus, we get from the formula in bracket, the value of v is minus 54 upon the value of u, small u is minus 27. From minus we can strike off minus. So what we will get h dash upon 7 equals to 54 upon 27 in minus. H dash equals to 54 into 7 upon minus 27. When we will solve it, we will get minus 14 centimeter. This minus sign shows that the image is inverted. The minus sign resembles that the image is inverted, and inverted images are always real. So what we can get from the answer, that the image is 14 centimeter long and it is real and inverted.